First, I'm going to add cooking oil. Add sweet turkey mushroom. Add broccoli. Add capsicum, beans, lady finger, and you can add any kind of vegetable if you like. I'm going to add just a little bit water and cover to cook for 3 minutes. Okay, after 3 minutes, I'm going to add sauce. First, I'm going to use soy sauce, oyster sauce, just a little bit salt, and leave it for 1 minute. I'm going to add corn flour, just a little bit, and just put in water a little bit. Add the corn flour. Now it's done.